think it's the first two lines is Pran, Hurray, and Trisha Hurray. So you think Hurray and Hurray are repeated, but actually the first Hurray, it sounds a bit similar. Again, I don't speak the language, but Hurray means thirst, quench my thirst, and then Trisha Hurray is something about the soul, I think. And so actually, obviously in the English translation, the essence of the song is still there, but I feel like the poetic structure, the beauty of the lyrics are lost in translation. But yeah, it's just that the fact that there is a poetic essence to his songs, it's quite rare. And the other, so I'm also singing, sorry, that was about the structure of the song. If you take the content of the song, you notice this sort of like, I think when Professor Kobreva spoke about it, Tagore was spiritual, but he actually didn't follow a certain religion. He was very in touch with nature. So there is a spiritual element in the song. It's him speaking to a higher power. The power, the name, it's not personified, it's not mentioned. So and I think if he followed spiritual idealism as his philosophy, so in that sense he is referring to nature. And the other song I'm singing was actually displayed here. I'm doing like a mashup of the songs. Yes. So that is actually like a literal, that literally talks about nature. So in that sense, the songs are connected because in one he's idealistic talking about nature, in the other one it's a lullaby, it's a Bengali lullaby, and yeah, so that talks about nature as well.
Yes, so and also in this song Aao Jao Pran, which is actually a sort of a courage giving, it says that it tells whoever who's out there, maybe God, maybe nature, whoever, you can give me as much pain as you want, but also give me understanding. You can, you can show me any kind of pain, and life can throw anything at me, but give me more light in my eyes to see it properly. So it is like such an idealistic prayer, if I can say, and it's a very courage-giving sort of a song, and definitely one of my favorites. It's like my life's anthem. So we'll give a round of applause to Mithu, who's going to do this rendition over there. She's going to play the piano and perform for us here at the Humanitas. Thank you, Nitu. That was lovely. Thank you. So we are coming towards the end of the Humanitas program.